probably a rooster.
Don't. Oh my God.
Every time I catch a fish, here come this crank. And he taking my fish rod in the water. Look at that, y'all. Where they do that at?
Got it!
All right.
He took it! Did he get it? Yes!
Oh, excuse me, sir. I must ask you a question.
Yeah, see, I kiss us with its tongue. Kiss with its tongue. Oh.
They're gonna bite us.
No, they're not. Here.
They're just hungry.
What? Here, Emma.
No.
So she's got the babies. And a while ago when I reached in there, she kept pecking me. But I think Mommy would like her babies back.
Run! He's gonna get me, Run! Come get him, Run! Run!
Stop biting my hair and my earring. Ow. You just spit my earring out. Spit it out. Spit my earring out. What are you doing?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.